Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Infinite Laboratory, and today we are discussing about the 48 and 60 volt operated 2000 watt power system. So it is a powertrain for electric rickshaw, electric two-wheeler. If you want to use this motor for the electric rickshaw, you will have to use the differential system. If you want to use this motor in a two-wheeler or belt drive or chain drive mechanism, then you will have to joint a pulley or gear or sprocket or something here. So this way it will be useful for you. You can use for the ATV or you can use for the racing car as well. So it is a complete setup of this drivetrain. So motor, it is a BLDC 3-phase motor, 2000 watt. It is a controller, 48 versus 60 volt 2000 watt controller, and we have connected this digital display where you can see the speed data and everything. So it works with this system, and this control throttle, it is having 1 2 3 mode and forward reverse option on the throttle panel. If you don't want to use this type of mode, and if you want separate buttons, then also we can provide. And this is a key switch. With this key switch you can turn on and turn off this system. Plus we have this harness, wiring harness, so you can place all the other things on the back side, and the harness with this meter and key switch on the top panel or the front panel. So this way it will work. Currently our battery is lithium ion battery, 48 volt and 30 Ah. So we have connected this lithium ion battery with this system. We will test it. First of all, I will guide you with some wiring details and wires. So let's see what wires we have here. Main wires, if we consider, then 3 phase, yellow, green and blue. These are the motor phase. One more wire coming from the motor, which is this. It is a hall sensor signal output, which gives the feedback of motor data in the controller, and from that controller reads data and give the commands, plus it shows the speed using this data. Plus we have this throttle wire, this light blue wire is speed signal, which is connected through this harness to the speedometer. Then after we have this alarm signal. So remote control system, if you want to use remotely operated, then you can use that. One more wire, which is three wire. This 3 wire are useful to set your speed, this 1 2 3 mode. So for that, this is, if you use this link with this connector, then your by default mode will be third mode, so you don't need to press any keys. Then after it will be directly connected to the third mode, so that way you can use. This is SWM meter. So if you want a data meter, then you can use this. Then after this soft start mode. So if you want to start this motor with soft torque, then you can use that soft start mode. Then after we have this forward and reverse. So if you want to change the direction of the motor, currently it is rotating with full RPM in the clockwise direction, and in anti-clockwise it is rotating with half of the full RPM. That means 1500 RPM in the reverse direction, anti-clockwise. In clockwise 3000 RPM. If you want to change that, and if you want anti-clockwise 3000 and clockwise 1500, then you can use this. Then after this is another, which is for the 48 and 60 volt converter. So if you want 60 volt operated system, then connect. If you don't want that, if you want 48 system, then you can disconnect it. Here it is a reverse function wire. Then we have one this high brake wire. You give 12 volt to this wire and motor will stop. So this, all the functions we have explained, plus these 2 wires for battery, positive and negative. So this way it have this much of functions. And now I will show you how it works. So first of all, we can turn off the system and accelerator will stop working, we will turn on. Now accelerator started working, and when we give the acceleration, motor will start rotating. For that you will have to connect the ignition cable here in the harness, so that I will connect. So this ignition cable is now connected, and now we will give the accelerator and motor start rotating, and it will show you the speed on the speed meter. You can see the speed details and everything here. As much as you give the acceleration, as per that you get the speed details here. 43 km/h speed. As I said, if you want to change the mode directly to the third, then you can connect this socket, and it will be directly connected to the third mode, so that I will show you. So it was giving you approximately 43. Then if you turn to the third mode, now it will give you the higher speed. So let's see. Now it is giving you 46. So this way it is giving you the third mode speed. The difference is little because you are running on the no load condition, but when you go with the on load system, or when you consider the loaded condition, then the second mode, whatever we were checking on the first trial, was second mode, and when we connected that socket, then it turned to the third mode. So second mode will give you around 35 to 40 km, and third mode will give you around 45 to 48 km/h. So that way it works. You can see how smooth it is, and many motors have some functions and some extra features. So if I talk about this motor, it is having little bit smooth operation. You can see it is gradually increasing its speed. Even if I give full accelerator, it will gradually increase the speed. So that way it works for the vehicles which are required to safe and which are required to be in the safe environment, like someone is riding this vehicle and by default, if it is having the high torque on the first acceleration, it may possible that it gets the accident, because these vehicles are electric vehicles and it is very different from the petrol vehicles. So it requires very gradual speed. So here you can see gradually it is increasing the speed, and when you stop the acceleration, many features, many motors have that issue that whenever you are running with a particular speed, and when you want to stop the vehicle, motor still keep rotating because of the kinetic energy. But in this controller, it is a programmable controller, so we have programmed this controller with that way that it stops after some speed reduction. So immediately you get the braking and you get that braking very easily. So you can see it is a fast and highest speed. Now I stopped giving the acceleration, and now it will stop immediate. So that way you prevent the accidents and everything. So it is very useful for the quick braking, and it regenerates some energy when you use this kind of braking features, and that energy will be given back to the this battery. And if you have any other queries, like you can see odometer here, which is giving you 1 kilometer, battery level indicator. Even if you want a more soft start function, then we have one wire. So I will connect that wire and I will show you how soft start function works. So here you can see this is a soft start function, and I will connect that and will show you how it works. So now soft start connection is secured. I have connected soft start this feature. You can see it is mentioned here, connect for the soft start. Now I will show you how it works. So whatever time it was taking previously, now it will take less time. So I have connected soft start. Now you can see it is more gradually increasing. It is required for the passenger vehicle and for the safety of differential and other mechanical products. For that it is very useful. Gears and everything will be safe when you use soft start. So if you want 2 kilowatt system, 2 kilowatt BLDC motor controller system, then you can ask us for your inquiries. We have other options also, like PMSM motor.